Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain some of the most important previous year InfyTQ final round coding questions with solution and explanation. So that if there any question with the same model in the InfyTQ final round, you can easily solve it. And coming to the first question, if the input will be given like, if the input is in the format of number, so the example is separate odd place integers. So odd place integers in the sense, here in this given number, this is the 0 index position, that means 7 is in the 0 index position and 5 is in the odd place, it will be in the first index position, and 6 is in the second index position and 4th is in the third index position, which is the odd place. Now we have to separate odd place integers. Here in this given integer or the given number, the odd place integers are 5 is the odd place integer. Why? Because it is in the first index position, as well as 4 is the odd place integer. Why? Because it is available in the third index position, as well as 6 is also which is available in the odd place. That's why 5, 4 and 6 are the odd place integers in the given number. Now you have to return a 4-digit OTP by squaring the digits. We have to square those digits which are available in the odd places in the given number. So the digits from the above examples are which are available in the odd place are 5, 4, 6, and the square of these digits are 25, 5 5s 25, 4 4 16, and as well as 6 6 36. Now the OTP, the output OTP that you have to produce in the format of, it has to return the first 4 digits. The first 4 digits of the square of the each and every digit in the odd place are 25, 16. These 4 digits are available in the first place, so that the first 4 digits that we have to print here is 2516. So that is the output that we have to produce from the given number. Now for this question, let me try to explain the solution. Now this is the simple solution. If you are going to observe, so within the solution I am taking one input variable, that the input variable name itself is given underscore number. Within that, with the help of input function, I am trying to read that number into the given underscore number variable. Now here in the next line, I am trying to find out the length of the given number. So the length of the given number will become 7. Why? Because within the given number totally 7 digits are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the length of the given number will become 7, and that will be available in the length underscore given number. And here 7 is available in the 0 index position, 5 is available in the first index position, as well as 6 is available in the second index position, and 4 is available in the third index position. Likewise, remaining all the integers are available. Now here 5 is in odd place, 4 is in odd place, as well as 6 is in odd place. Now in order to find out the square of each and every number which is available in the odd space, here I am going to take one for loop. Before going to take the for loop, I have taken one variable. The variable name itself is OTP, in order to get the output in the format of OTP. Initially it is an empty string, nothing is available in this particular OTP. It is acting as like as a string, and within that nothing is available. It is an empty string. Now coming to the for loop, for I in range of, I in the sense I am taking one counter variable, I in the range of from one index position to the length of the given number. The length of the given number in the sense, the length of the given number is 7. Up to 7 we have to iterate this loop. So from one index position to up to 7th index position we have to iterate this loop, and the step count that we are taking here is 2. Now coming to the first iteration, the I value will become 1. So that I am taking one odd variable ODD. Within that, from the given number, given underscore number, which is available in the format of string, from this string the index position I in the sense the value that we are going to get 1 here in the first iteration, given underscore number of 1 in the sense within the first index position of the given number, the value that is available is 5. We are converting it to integer type and we are storing it in the odd variable. Now in order to perform the square of that odd place integer, we are performing odd equal to odd double star 2. Double star 2 in the sense we are using power operator here. So within this odd variable we will get 5, and 5 double star 2 in the sense 5 power 5 in the sense 25, that will be available in the odd variable. Now whatever the value that is available in the odd variable, it is available in the format of integer, so that with the available output string which is in the format of OTP, we are concatenating OTP equal to OTP plus 1. So OTP plus equal to in the sense OTP equal to OTP plus whatever the odd value that is available, that value we are concatenating. Here within this odd variable, the value that is available is with respect to the first index position 5 is available. 5 5s in the sense you will get 25. That 25 is available in the odd variable, and we are trying to concatenate it into the OTP variable. So that now within the OTP the value that is available is 25 with respect to the first index position. Now if you are going to iterate the for loop one more time, now the counter variable is 2. That means it will be incremented by 2. That means 1 is incremented by 2 in the sense now the I value will become 3. Now with respect to the third index position in the given number, if you are going to observe with respect to the third index position in the given number, the value that is available is 4. That we are taking into the odd variable, and within that odd variable the updated value that we are going to store here is odd double star 2. That means whatever the value that is available in the odd index position 4, 4 double star 2 in the sense 4 square, 4 4s 16, that value is available in the odd, and we are trying to concatenate, we are converting it into the string format, and we are appending it to the available OTP. The available OTP value is 25, which is available in the string format. For this we are appending the updated value of the odd. The updated value of the odd is 4 4s 20, 4 4 16. Now 16 we are appending to the available string OTP. Now if you are going to repeat the for loop one more time, now the counter variable incremented by 2, so that I value will become 5 now. Now with respect to the 5 index position within the given number, the value that is available is 6. We are converting that into the integer and we are holding it in the odd variable. Now whatever the 6 value that is available in the odd variable, we are squaring it with the help of power operator odd double star 2 in the sense 6 6 36, that value is available in the odd, and we are converting it into the string type and we are appending to the available OTP variable. Within the available OTP variable, the value that is available is 2516, which is available in the format of string. For this we are going to appending the 36 in the format of string, so that the 36 we are going to append for the available OTP variable. Now finally within the OTP, the final output that is available is 251632. How we are getting 251632? Within the first odd place position, the value that is available is 5. The square of the 5 is 25, and within the second odd place the value that is available is 4. Why? Because third index is the odd place, and 4 4s in the sense we are going to square it. The value that we are getting here is 16, and as well as within the fifth index position the value that is available is 6, and fifth index position is the odd place, so that 6 6 36, sorry, here 36. So the final OTP, within the OTP the value that is available in the format of string is 251636. But here we need to print the OTP that should return first 4 digits of the given output. The first 4 digits of the given OTP, so we have to print up to 2516. For that we are taking one print statement. Within the print statement, with the help of indexing concept, OTP is in the format of string. Here we are using starting index position of the string is 0 and the ending index position is 4. Here the ending index position 4 in the sense it will not include, we have to perform -1 operation here. That means it will not include the end index position. Whatever the end index position that we are passing, that end index position will not include it into the output. We have to exclude it, so that so up to that front index position you will get the output. Up to that front index position means from 0 index position to up to third index position. 0 index to third index position means, so here 0 index, first index, second index, third index, as well as fourth index and fifth index. From 0 index position to third index position means you will get the first 4 digits of the given output string. So within the OTP you will get the first 4 digits, so that the first 4 digits that we are going to get here is 2516. That is the output that we are getting from this entire code. It is very simple. Let me try to execute this code so that you will get the clarity. So the program name itself is 1.py, python 1.py. Let me try to execute. I will try to enter some number. So let me try to enter some 5 4 3 2 6 6 7, whatever the number that I am entering. If I am going to observe, within the first odd place the value that is available is 4. 4 4s in the sense 16, that we are getting as a output, as well as in the second odd position the value that is available is 6. 6 6 are 36, that we are getting here, and we have one more odd index position is there, that is nothing but fifth index position. Within the fifth index position the value that is available is 6 only. 6 6 are 36, but we are unable to get it as a output. Why? Because within the OTP we have to get the first 4 digits as a output. The first four digits that we are going to get here is 1636. That's all. It is very simple program. If you are going to get these kind of problems in the InfyTQ final round, be careful. It is very simple. It is string related problem. You have to have some basic idea related to string indexing as well as how to find out the length of the string. For that we have to use length function as well as how to iterate the for loop as well as how to use the square operator. That's all. If you know that all the basic concepts, how to read the input with the help of input function, you can easily solve these kind of problems. Thank you.